We feel like one of the most common questions and one of the most commonly held misconceptions is around the idea of how much money is required for down payment. What a lot of people don't realize is there are a number of programs that are going on kind of most of the time these days to help first-time home buyers especially with down payments, down payment assistance programs. And where many people thought for years and years it took 20% to down payment to be able to afford a house. And if you didn't have it, really there's not a lot of point trying. Not the case. It is super common that you can get in for as little as 3%, 3.5%, sometimes even less than that down to buy a house. So there are many ways in, and the best thing to do is to speak with your local lender. As we like to say in other areas here, we have folks we can recommend to you, but get somebody good that you trust that can help you with this process, because it is not such a barrier as people think.